Upper membrane. Relax the gas surge shaft. Strengthen the film to the gas surge axis. Inflate the gas surge shaft. Adjust the pressure of reinforced membrane traction wheel. Two membranes were placed separately below the two traction wheels. Turn the knob to down press the traction wheel. Check whether the traction wheel can press the reinforcing film and adjust if not. Release the fixing screw cap of the adjusting screw and turn the adjusting screw to adjust the pressure of the traction wheel. Both traction wheels can press the reinforcing film. Lock the fixing screw cap of the adjustment screws. Wear the film. Wear the reinforced film to the reinforced film traction wheel at the specified path. Turn the knob and drop the traction wheel. Adjust the membrane volume tension. Turn the tension clockwise and adjust the hand wheel to increase the tension. Adjust the hand wheel counterclockwise to reduce the tension. Adjust the film cutting knife. Relax the fixed screws of the cutter gear so that the upper cutter blade can rotate manually. Relax the blade fixing screws and adjust the fixing nuts of the blade adjusting screws. If the blade cannot cut off the reinforcing film, turn the adjustment screw clockwise. If the upper and lower blades will get stuck, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise until the blade can rotate smoothly and can cut off the film smoothly. Lock the fixing screws of the film blade after adjustment. Adjust the relative position of the film cutter to the suction drum. Relax the fixed screws of the film cutter gear. Turn the machine to make the suction hole of the suction drum align at the reinforcing film, and turn the film cutter to the position of cutting off the reinforcing film. Lock the fixed screws of the film cutting blade gear. Adjust the suction drum release time. Relax the fixing nuts of the adjusting screw. Pull the screw to stop the suction drum while moving down with the reinforcing film. Lock the fixing nuts of the adjusting screw. Adjust the pressure of the film aluminum roller. Release the fixing screws for the rocking seat. Pull the swing lever so that the strengthening film can be smoothly taken away by the glue on the paper roll and the paper will not fold. Lock the fixed screws of the rocket seat. Adjust the distance between the adhesive roller and the paper. Turn the upper glue knob to manual mode and release the fixing nut for the adjustment screws. Check the distance between adhesive roller and the paper is 2.5 to 3 mm. If too large, rotate the adjusting screw nut counterclockwise. If too small, rotate it clockwise. Lock the fixing nut of the adjustment screw after the adjustment. Adjust the distance between the gluing roller and the applicator roller. Turn the upper glue knob to manual mode and release the fixing nut for the adjustment screws. Check whether the distance between the gluing roller and applicator roller is between 2.5 to 3 mm. If too large, rotate the adjustment screw clockwise, and if too small, rotate the adjustment screw counterclockwise. Adjustment screws on both sides need to be adjusted simultaneously. Lock the fixing nut after the adjustment. Pass the glue sponge pad. Clean the applicator roller. Cut off the appropriately sized sponge pad. Pass the sponge pad with a positioning line on the glue roller, and two sponges need to be passed at the same height. Adjust the amount of glue. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the amount of glue and counterclockwise to reduce the amount of glue. Adjust the lateral alignment of the film. Turn the hand wheel to adjust the lateral position of the patch. Rotate the hand wheel clockwise. Move the patch position inward. Rotate it counterclockwise and move the patch position outward until the patch is aligned to the adhesive position at the lateral position. Adjust the film operation direction to align the glue position. If the patch is behind the glue, adjust the patch fine-tuning button. If the patch is advanced of the glue, adjust the patch fine-tuning button to reduce. If the patch position is far different from the upper glue position, you can also be adjusted on the touch screen. Put down the film pressure wheel. After the position adjustment of the strengthening film, pull the swing lever and put down the press wheel. Adjust the pressure of the open window opening drum. Release the fixed nut. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase the pressure, and turn the adjustment screw clockwise to reduce the pressure. The pressure adjustment to the window drum can successfully open the die-cut hole on the paper bag, and the percentage table will not have the big beads. Lock the fixing nut after the adjustment. Adjust the screw top to tighten the slider under the slider and lock the retaining nut. Window drum arranging set. When the window roller is about to face the paper roller, the patch arranging is set on the touch screen. Adjust the window position to align the glue film position. Adjust the window adjustment on the touch screen. If the window position lags behind the film position, the position of the window should be adjusted. If the position of the window is ahead of the film position, the position of window should be adjusted. Adjust the cut position to the correct position. The cutter position should be slightly behind the punch hole. Adjust the host adjustment on the touch screen until cut to the correct position.